So there's this group called Tiger 21, and it's a group of wealthy individuals that every year publish a report on what they plan on investing in for the upcoming year. I'm Jay Jones, and this is Jonesing for Stocks. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about Tiger 21 and what they plan on investing in for 2022. So if you've never heard about Tiger 21, it's an exclusive peer membership organization of high net worth entrepreneurs, investors, and executives. If you go to the Tiger 21 About Us page, it tells you a little bit more about the organization. It says Tiger 21 is a peer learning community that takes on topics that matters most to its members, fellow visionaries, entrepreneurs, investors, and executives from an array of industries. But most importantly, right here, our network of members effectively serve as legacy planning partners who help each other improve their investment acumen. Now, that just means this is a group of rich people that help each other stay rich. Now, to look into this group and to see how much money they have, you can see that this organization is made up of about 850 members with over $90 billion in personal assets. Now, that's about a little bit over $100 million per person on average. Now, if you go to the top of the page and inquire about a membership, I don't have the 10 million minimum that they require, but thankfully they do publish a yearly report on what their investors are planning on for the next year. So the chairman and founder of Tiger 21 sat down with CNBC to discuss the 3 topics that their investors are looking at for 2022. With inflation currently at 7%, what the investors have been doing is breaking it down into 3 sections, making sure their portfolios are safe. The 3 areas were real estate, stocks, and cryptocurrencies. For most individuals, if you can't purchase real estate, a REIT is a good option. A REIT is a company that invests in real estate companies for you and pays you in dividends. For inflation stocks, check out my older video where I talk about what value stocks may be good for 2022. And for cryptocurrencies, this was broken down into the second topic that they discussed, which was doubling down on their crypto investments. Now, for their crypto investments, the members were split between the organization, and if you go to their report, it outlines the percentage of members that were bearish, bullish, and neutral on the topic. 27% of the members were bullish, 28% were bearish, and 45% were neutral, with only 30% of the members initiating or increasing their cryptocurrency investments in the last 3 months. But the breakdown of where investors were putting money in cryptocurrencies, with over 60% being in Ethereum and Bitcoin, 20% being in a crypto fund like Grayscale, and 15% being in altcoin like Dogecoin and others. And the third area was increasing their investments in renewable energy. Now, companies like Tesla had an amazing growth over the last decade, but what they're talking about is more power companies. Now, what Tiger 21 members are doing is investing in startups. If you don't have that luxury, there are plenty of other ETFs. Even CNBC talked about ETFs like Drive and IDRV. And if you're in any other renewable energy plays, let me know down in the comments below. And this was just a small insight on what this organization plans on doing for the next year. If you got any value from this video, don't forget to like and subscribe so I can continue making content just like this.